Well, good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. You guys can see I have the Tacoma up here behind me. It's actually up on the lift right now. And I get a lot of questions here and there about the mods that I've done. Where did I get them? What did they cost? How much do I have in mods on the truck? So I've made a list. It's about 3 1/4 pages long of the stuff that I've done to the Tacoma back there. So I thought I'd run through it, let you guys know what the part numbers are, all that good stuff, how much it cost, and then I'll give you a grand total at the end at what I've spent to have a truck like this. So if you're looking for mods and stuff, this will give you a way to kind of get a general idea of what it's going to cost you. And if you wanted to duplicate this truck, you'll know pretty much. It'll vary by area, but let's go ahead and get started. The first item is the lift. I did this shortly after I got the truck. And what it has on it is a 3-2 ready lift. That's 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the back rather. And that is a block spacer lift. The cost on that was $575. Next is, or are rather, the 20-inch fuel ANSA wheels. You guys can see right there. Those, for 4 of them, I did not get the 5th for the spare, it's $1,200. Of course, in addition to that, you need to have tires, most likely. And what I've got on mine, these are 275/60 R20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I love them. They're about as close to stock, I think, as you can get with a more aggressive tire, in my opinion. They cost $940. Of course, if you're going to do all that, you need to have a balance and an alignment. Together, those cost $65. Now, moving on to some less expensive things, I guess. All-weather floor mats. I've had all-weather floor mats in every truck that I've had. I think it's a must. I don't know why they put carpeted floor mats in any vehicle, to be honest with you, but I got them from directly from Sparks Parts, actually. They were $149, and part number on those is PT908-35174-20, if you're interested in those. By the way, check out Sparks Parts. Use discount code RobMotive, and you can get 5% off. Next was the window tent. I had that done at the same place, the same time that I had the lift and tires and all that done, which, by the way, was a place called Truck Tex. If anybody out there is in southern Texas in the RGV, that's where I had mine done. The window tent, and that was just the front 2 windows, was $65. Next, I did the TRD Pro Grill. Now that, I couldn't find where I originally bought it, to be honest. The site was gone. I got it on Amazon somewhere. But since I put that on, I've come across another place. It's called runninfortacos.com. I would highly recommend them. I've done some work with Tuan Vo in the past. Excellent guys over there. $150. Can't beat it. That's about 1/3 the price of what you'd pay for OEM, and I don't know what the difference is, to be honest. The garnish, if you're going to go with that, that's the little cover for the sensor. I did not do it. I did buy it, but that's $56.13. And the part number for that is 53141-35060. And I don't remember the site where I got it, but if you plug that part number in, it'll pull up different places that supply it, so you'll be able to find it. Front-facing camera. A really recent mod that I just did. I got that from Anytime Camera, and that is $149.99. I did mention when I did that video that I bought an additional camera. I didn't realize the camera came with the kit, to be quite honest. So that would include the camera. You don't need to buy another one. If you do for some reason, that was about 30 bucks, something like that. the MBRP exhaust system. Now that's a catback exhaust, including the tip that I bought, so two different prices. The MBRP exhaust itself was $242.73, and that was a 3-inch exhaust, and it's a part number S as in Sam, 5338P as in Paul. And then the black tip that I got for it, which is a 3.5-inch tip, is a part number T as in Tom, 5115BLK for black. Next are the TRD Pro taillights. I did replace the taillights on the back of the truck with these. Again, I got these from Sparks Parts. Pricing on them, $393.70. Moving on to the interior. Interior LED bulbs. The ones that I got included the license plate LEDs, and they were just generic from somewhere out on Amazon. I don't have any more detail on those. They cost me $17.99, so obviously they weren't top of the line, but so far I haven't had any problems with them. Headlight LEDs. And fog light LEDs. Both of these I got from Headlight Revolution. They are Supernova V.4s. The LED lights, the high beams, were $169. The low beams were $169. You might notice a theme here. And the fog lights were $169, or driving lights, or whatever you want to call them, $169. Moving on to the cup holder inserts that I have. Those I got from a company called Tough Skins. Awesome company over there. They were $29.99 for the whole set of those. In addition, the side door pocket inserts to match the cup holder inserts, they were $49.99. Moving on, the engine cover decals. If you remember, if you saw the video, I put some decals over the lettering on the engine cover. Those came from a company called TVD Vinyl Decals, and they are $10.99. More recently, the glove box Tacoma decal. That's where it's that little embossed section on your glove box that says Tacoma. Those came from TVD Vinyl Decals as well. They were $7.99. Vent ring covers. These are the ones that I have that are carbon fiber that go around the chrome vent ring section inside the truck. They again came from Tough Skins. $34.99 for the set of those. Steering wheel emblem inserts. That's where you have the Toyota emblem on the steering wheel. In between the letters and all the spaces on there, I put carbon fiber pieces. They again came from Tough Skins, and the price on those was $19.99. Glove box organizer. I added a glove box organizer because the Tacoma doesn't have anything in it. It's just a big black hole. And I thought it would be neat to be able to, put more stuff in there, or at least organize it. Got that off of Amazon. Just search for the name. I don't have a part number. $18.99. The center console tray, again, came from Amazon. $9.99. No part number for that. You just search on the names. The headrest hangers that I got. Those are the little hangers that snap on behind the headrests on the little, what do you want to say, poles that are in there, or the metal pieces that hold the headrest on. They were $6.90 for the set, a set of 4, again, off of Amazon. The seat gap fillers. Those were the little, like compartment pieces I got that go in between the seat and the center console. You know where all that crap always falls down there? French fries, change, animals, I don't know. Again, got those from Amazon. They were $12.49. The nice thing about those, they're open on the top. So if you want to put paperwork in there, like insurance, registration, stuff like that, it'd be right there. You have it in case you get pulled over all the time. Or you can flip them the other way, then they're solid on the bottom and stuff won't fall in. But it does make a good way to collect stuff that might fall down in between the seats, and then you can just clean it out later. Just pull the whole thing out. It's easy. The center console custom cover. This I just got a couple of days ago. This thing is awesome. It was done by Kylan Brimhall, and you can find him on Facebook. Check out the video. I have a link in the description to his Facebook page. Pricing on that is going to vary. It would depend on what you want to have done. You know, he sells covers. He sells a completely reupholstered cover for it, and can do embroidered logos and stuff like that. You name it, he can probably do it. It's just awesome, but I can't give you a price because it could vary widely depending on what you want to do. So check him out. Awesome mod. The bed storage locks in those compartments in the back of the Tacoma up there. I put locks on them. Got those off of Amazon. Again, I don't have a part number. Just search bed storage locks for Tacoma. $19.99. The AC drain line hose. I did a video where I have a hose coming off of the existing drain line in the truck up there, and the way it is, without doing anything to it, it just drips all over the frame. And with the rust issues that everybody talks about with Toyota, didn't seem like a good idea to me. So I extended that, in essence, down below the frame where it can just drip freely. That cost me $11.20. I got it from Lowe's. Check out the video if you want more detail. The Raptor style grill lights. These things are awesome. I love these things. I got them from a company called Toyo LEDs. They're $199.99. Once again, you can get those from runninfortacos.com as well, depending on the style that you want. They sell them there, and they look very good too. The seat height mod. That's where I adjusted the seat from a position like this, more level like that. It's just washers or spacers. I ended up leaving the washers in that I did for the second video. But you can get those at Lowe's. I spent 10 bucks. 10 bucks. The TRD Pro shift knob. Purchased this from Sparks Parts. Cost me $105. Excellent little mod for the inside, just to dress things up a little bit. I really like it in the Tacoma. I think it looks really nice. The hood struts. This is something that I think every truck should come with. It shouldn't really be an option. I got those from Redline Tuning. You can find them all over the place. They have their own site. They're on Amazon. They're everywhere. $99.95. Part number for those for my truck was a 21-27015-02. Pretty easy mod too, just take your time. Lastly, the kicker tweeters. I replaced the both tweeters in the front with kicker tweeters. They're actually made for Subaru, but they fit the Tacoma perfectly. The wiring and everything is the same. It's plug and play, man. They cost $101, and it's a part number 631S as in Sam, F as in Frank, J 101. Now, that concludes everything, unless I've missed something, that I've done with the truck back there. So the grand total, excluding, of course, the price of the truck itself, because that's up to you. You may already have the truck, or if you're looking to buy a new one, negotiate the best deal that you can get. And it varies based on the options you get and what part of the country you're in. So no real way to give you a good price on that. Let's just say somewhere in the $30,000+ range. The other thing, the center console, I know I didn't give you a price on that because, again, that's going to vary depending on what you want to do. So the price for the mods themselves, $4,961.47. Now, from some of the costs that I've seen out there, for some of the things that people have done modding their trucks, I'd almost call that a budget mod. Not too much, actually. Basically about $5 grand to do everything that I've done to my truck. Not too bad. And you don't have to do it all at once. You know, you can space it out, do whatever you want. There is more to come with the Tacoma up there. I have more things coming right now. I'm waiting for some mail to arrive tomorrow, actually, for additional things. So we're by no means done, but I just kind of wanted to give an update, put it all in one place so that when people ask, I can just direct them here, and they can find it easily. Anyway, let me know what you think of that price. I think it's pretty darn good overall. It's actually less than I expected. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.